friends, welcome to new recipe in Kalushona channel. Today I bring you a fish recipe of very spicy and delectable fish called bombay duck, bombil, lote or loita, as it is variously known in Bengal. This fish is very soft and once it was very cheap, but now due to wider acceptance it has become quite expensive. It is very tasty and I bet you can finish your rice with just one recipe. So this is how you clean the fish. The fish doesn't look very nice. It's soft and its appearance doesn't please you. Cut off the fins, take out the head and keep the fish like this. Bas, that's all. You don't have to do much to clean this fish. Just pulling out the head removes all the intestines and innards. Here, you hold the head and pull it out with your hand. So after cleaning, the fishes look like this. We are adding salt and turmeric to the fishes before cooking. I am adding a little bit of salt, as you can see, and turmeric. You add the standard ingredients to almost all fishes before cooking and keep them for some time soaked in salt and turmeric. All my recipes are very easy to cook and with very little ingredients. I cook for myself and thereby I ensure that you do not need too many ingredients to cook or very expensive items which are not easily available. So if you want to follow me and like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel Kalushona for more such recipes. You'll get the water coming out from the fishes. Discard the water. I am heating some mustard oil. Yes, this dish is prepared in mustard oil preferably. You can take any oil of your choice. You heat the oil in a wok and then I have taken 3 medium-sized onions. Cut them in any shape you like, but not too fine, just roughly chopped, and you fry them till they change their color. To all my new friends who are watching this recipe, I thank you all for watching this recipe and do please watch till the end to get the good results and do not skip any part of it because I make very short videos so that you do not get bored with it. I am adding potatoes to the onion. The onion has softened up and I am cooking the potato and onion, adding a little salt so that the potato gets softer. Now turmeric and salt are again added for the potato, and this spice paste, which is made up of garlic, ripe red chili, not dry chili, ginger very little, and green chilies. So crushed and pasted together. I pasted it in a shil nora. You can do it in a mixie also. Drop the paste inside this potato and onion and cook them till the water comes out. I am checking for the softness of the potatoes. They are a little bit cooked now because still they are hard, you can see. So just mix the whole thing with the paste of the spices and cook them till water comes out. I am turning them quite a few number of times so that all sides get equally well cooked. To all my new friends, I request you again, please do subscribe. It doesn't matter or cost money, but it encourages me very much. Here, then you place all the fishes one after another like this over the onions and the potato so that the fishes are cooked. Cover it and allow it to cook till the water comes out. Here you can see the water has come out from the fishes. Then with a knife or any sharp object, just very lightly you separate the fishes from top and take out the main bone from inside, that is the spine. Oh, it's very hot. I almost burned my hand. Do be careful. So I'm using 2 spatula and a knife to take out the bone. That's the midrib. That's the only bone. When taken out, the fish becomes very nice without any bones at all. So be careful to take it out with some object and not with your bare hands, because the whole thing is very hot when it's cooking. So I have mixed all the fishes after taking out the bones, and now it's the boneless fish, you can say. This is just a paste of boneless fish and spices, and very nice. Cook it till the water dries up almost, and the whole mixture starts separating from the sides and sticking to the sides. And when you have finished cooking, you'll find the oil will come out. Add a little bit of sugar, because the potatoes take up the sugar and give a good binding to the whole thing. I have added only salt and turmeric along with ginger, garlic and chilies. Nothing else has gone into this. So a little bit of sugar just enhances its taste. Now the thing is sticking to the sides, and this indicates your fish is done. Your loita jhuri. Jhuri means, dried up mixture. So this loita jhuri or lote jhuri or bombay duck or bombil jhuri is done. So take it out in a separate pot and do enjoy. Thank you. Here you can see the oil has separated out. When the cooking is finished, you'll see the oil coming out. I'm taking it out in a separate pot. Thank you all for watching the video till the end. And again, a request to you all, please do subscribe, like, share and comment if you like my videos and enjoy them. And do watch all the videos in my channel. Thank you again from Kalushona. Enjoy your Lote jhuri. Thank you.